Ever wondered why people often start needing reading glasses after 40? You're not alone. This common phenomenon is known as presbyopia, a term you may not be familiar with, but its effects are something many of us will experience. Presbyopia is not a disease or a specific eye problem, it's simply a part of the aging process. As we grow older, the lens of our eye becomes less flexible, making it harder to focus on objects up close. It's as if our eyes are slowly losing their zooming ability. This is why, after a certain age, you might find yourself squinting at restaurant menus or holding your phone at arm's length just to read a text message. It's not your imagination playing tricks on you. It's presbyopia creeping in, so if you're over 40 and you find yourself holding the menu a little further away, you're not alone. So what's happening in our eyes that changes our vision? Let's take a journey into the fascinating world of our peepers. Picture each eye as an intricately constructed camera. The most crucial part of this camera is the lens, a clear structure located right behind the iris and the pupil. This lens is pretty remarkable. It's flexible, adjusting its shape effortlessly to focus light onto the retina, the eye's light-sensitive layer. This lens flexibility is the powerhouse behind our ability to see objects at varying distances. When we're young, this lens is like soft, malleable jelly, easily changing shape. But as the pages of our life's calendar flip by, the lens begins to harden and lose its elasticity. This hardening is like the lens turning from a soft jelly into a hard candy. The hardening lens makes it a tad bit more challenging to focus on objects up close, a condition scientifically known as presbyopia. You may notice you're holding your phone or book farther away to read, or you're squinting more often. It's a bit like your arms becoming too short for your eyes. But here's the thing, this is a completely natural aging process. It happens to everybody, regardless of how many carrots you've eaten or how many hours you've spent staring at screens. Just like the rest of our body, our eyes too show signs of aging, and there's nothing wrong or abnormal about it. Now the big question, can we correct this vision loss? Well, there are a few options out there. First off, reading glasses. These are a popular choice for many. They're simple, readily available, and come in a variety of designs to suit your style. Then there's the option of bifocals. These glasses have two distinct sections, the top for distance vision and the bottom for reading or other close-up tasks. They're like having two pairs of glasses in one. Contact lenses are another alternative. These are thin, curved lenses placed on the surface of your eye to correct vision. They can offer a wider field of view and a more natural appearance than glasses. And of course, there are surgical options. Procedures like LASIK reshape the cornea to correct vision, while lens replacement surgery involves removing the eye's natural lens and replacing it with an artificial one. While these solutions can help, they don't stop the aging process, but they do make life a bit clearer. But what about the future? Can we restore our 20/20th vision after 40? Let's dive into the exciting world of ongoing research in vision restoration. Scientists around the globe are tirelessly working on innovative solutions that could change the way we see, literally. One of the promising areas of research focuses on developing eye drops that can increase the flexibility of the lens. Imagine a world where your reading glasses could be replaced by a simple drop of liquid, increasing the elasticity of your lens and restoring your ability to focus on things up close. Then there's gene therapy, a field that's been making headlines in recent years. Some researchers believe that by altering the genes associated with age-related vision loss, we might be able to slow down or even halt the process. And let's not forget about stem cell research. The potential of these cells to transform into any type of cell in the body, including those in the eye, opens up a world of possibilities. Scientists are exploring how stem cells could be used to regenerate damaged parts of the eye, potentially restoring lost vision. While these treatments may sound like they're straight out of a science fiction novel, they're becoming increasingly realistic as our understanding of the eye and its functions continues to grow. While we can't stop the clock on aging, science is constantly working on ways to keep our vision clear and sharp no matter our age. So what have we learned about vision loss after 40? We've discovered that it's a natural process called presbyopia, which affects our ability to focus on nearby objects. We've also explored current correction methods from glasses to surgery, offering ways to cope with this change. And we've peeked into the future where exciting advancements promise more options for vision restoration. Remember, vision loss after 40 is a natural occurrence. And while we can't stop the aging process, we can certainly make the most of the vision we have.